Hello everyone, this is DJ Davic, the producer, the engineer from MASANA Records. Today I want to reveal a secret that I always do on my mixes. People, they've been asking me, what do you do to make your mixes to sound so good or so tight, not scattered, so tight and together? What I do in my mixes, I always use a master bus compressor. I put a compressor on my master bus. I use a SSL. You can use any other compressor, whatever that you prefer. I'm not saying this is the best. This is what I use in my mix. It makes my mixes sounds better. It gives me a sound that I want. But if you try this into your mixes, I think it can also give you a better sound. What I do, I will go to my mix bars and put an SSL compressor before any other plugins. Then I will push my threshold to 0. Then I will push the attack to 30. Then push my auto release, my release to 1. Sometimes I can push it to auto, but I prefer 1. I go to my ratio. I'll push my ratio to 4 or 2, depending on the track. Then I'll go to my rate and push it to 1. Then as the song plays, keep on playing. As the plays, I'll control my threshold until it gives me a gain reduction of -1. Then -1, yes. Then I'll go to my markup gain as well and boost it again +1, because the volume was pushed down. Then I'll push it up again. Then by doing that, you will hear all the mix will start to sound together, glued together, and the bass will start to be more audible. The mix will be so tight. This is what I always do to my mixes. If you try this, I think it can also work to your mixes. This compressor, it makes my mix to sound more professional, more tight, more together. I didn't know this for so long, but the time that I started to use the compressor, it makes my mixes to sound more together. Try this, explore, try whatever on your mixes. Try different settings for different taste. You will see whatever that works for you. Thank you.